Hello guys, welcome to What is Inside. Today I have a phone. This is a Galaxy phone. I'll tell you what is inside. Okay, I open this phone. It is working. Display is not working. Motherboard working. Everything is fine. This only screen is what's called is red. There is not working. You listen to the sound. It is working. The display is broke. Inside the battery we have a 1 2 3 4 5. Let's open. This is my first video in this channel. This is not my first phone I open. I have experience. Sorry. Here we go. There we have all the speaker. Okay guys, this is a speaker working there. There is a camera. There's a flash. There's a SIM card. There's a charger port. Okay, this headphone. Why is not focus my camera? There is a front camera. I'll show you now. Look at this is a camera. Focus, dude. I don't know why it's not focused, but there is a camera. This is 1 and 2. They have 2 cameras. This is a motherboard. This is a power button. Why is not focus? There is a home button. This is This is a motherboard. Okay, this is a speaker. Okay, this is a small speaker over there. This screen is, I think, what is problem now? I tell you what's problem in phone. I tell you this screen is not working. I told you what's exactly problem. They have a rod. What's mean rod? I don't know. It's a light over this display is not working. Okay, is touch working, but is a, they have a rod and this screen I think is not open. They have not a screw. That's why it's not working. I think this is a clip problem. I'm not sure because I don't have a LM experience. I'm sorry. Let's build this. I think I don't show you. This is screen. Okay, glass. This is mother. I said this is a motherboard. Okay, I'm sorry. Probably you can see what's inside this. I think they if you think I don't build this, now I build. Also because this is my first video on it, people think I don't build this. Okay, that's why I build this. This is my first video. I know another channel have a what's inside. I don't copy this because I told you my first video, because I like to open something. Okay, that's why I make this video and this channel name. Don't think I'm wrong, because I like to open something. That's why. I'm sorry, this is my Galaxy phone. I'm recording this. Is not focus very good. I'm so sorry. This is my first video. I don't tell you so much. I'm really sorry. Okay guys, this is inside this phone Galaxy. I show you. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. I more upload this like video what is inside. Okay, bye.